Hello, kabayan! Kare-receive ko lang ng email. Ito, bagong-bago. Promo from GoTime. 20 free transfer, InstaPay transfer every month. So, it's free. And after mong makapag-transfer for free for 20 times, ang next transaction mo na is 9 pesos fee per transaction. Ayan. How to use your free transfers? Sending money to family, paying via QR code, move money for free, free transfer between GoTime bank accounts. So, ayan, forever, no hidden charges and no transfer fees. Ayan, free. Ito yung promo. Kahapon merong nag-message or nag-comment sa ating video kung okay pa rin daw ba ang GoTime. So, ito po, meron po silang promo na 20 transfer, InstaPay transfer free each month.